In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to remove devices that are logged into your Apple ID account. This is crucial for maintaining security and privacy. When devices you no longer use are linked to your account, they may still have access to sensitive data like iCloud, messages, and app purchases. To remove them, simply head to your phone settings. You will want to tap onto your name to access your Apple ID. If you scroll down, you will see all devices that are sharing your Apple ID account. The device you are currently using will be at the top and other devices with your Apple ID account will follow up. So to log any out, simply head to it and select onto this option of Remove from Account. And if you don't recognize the device, simply click on this highlighted blue option of Change Your Password. You will change password and the device and automatically get removed and no longer have access to your Apple ID account. That's how easy it is to log out devices that are connected to your Apple ID account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.